So it's just this is freaking crazy. It just came across the news a couple of minutes ago that the great NBA legend Kobe Bryant has died in a helicopter accident. His private helicopter with 5 passengers went down, and everybody on board has passed away. This is the most shocking news. I, I don't know. I don't even know how to take this. Kobe Bryant has died in a helicopter accident. We haven't even started 2020, and we're being shocked with some of the. This is this is crazy. This is freaking crazy. I don't believe this. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Kobe Bryant has passed away in a freak helicopter accident. I was told that Vanessa Bryant wasn't on board, but um, once again, Kobe Bryant has passed away. My prayers and condolences goes to the entire family, and this is the most shocking thing I've heard in a long time. God bless you, Mr.